Hi, my name's Bradley and I work for KitSound, and I'm here today to go through the Funk 25. They come in a box which has zero plastic in it, which is quite a big thing of today. It's got a lovely photo of me on the back as well, which is always a nice bonus. I'm going to share the unboxing experience with you now. So the case and the earphones come in this nice matte black plastic. Comes in a nice black piece of cardboard, no plastic in it at all. Got the case here, it's got a nice soft touch to it. Flicks up, looks a bit like a Kinder Egg in a sense. And then you've got the earphones here as well. And the first thing that you'll probably see, which is a bit different to most true wireless earphones, is the shape of it. So the back here, you've got something that would sit within the canal at the top of your ear, and then obviously this bit here will then sit in within the canal. This helps stabilize the earphone within your ear, to make sure that it doesn't fall out essentially. The ear tips that are on the Funk 25 when you open them are the medium. I have quite big ear tips. When it comes to ear tips, it's best to experiment with all the sizes. I normally go for a medium, but in the case as well it comes with a large and a small. I found that the small are probably best to get the most bass out of them. It will then sit in your ear canal a bit deeper, and it then holds a better seal within your ear. They're quite easy to put in and take back out. It's nice, safe and secure. It's got a magnet in the top as well, so it's not something to flick open or anything like that. So Funk 25, they're small, they're comfortable, they've got a great sound quality, and they're only $29.99. We're really excited about these guys. Definitely pick up a pair. Thank you ever so much for watching.